lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a little haul. I got two little hauls I combined together, guys, because I'm not going to make you guys have to sit through any more snuggle, because y'all already know I done been doing the snuggle, been getting snuggle wasted. I did it again, but it's no need of you guys to see it again. But if you want to see it again, I'll make sure I will link my last Walmart video so you guys can go and watch it if you don't know what I'm talking about, okay? But for all the regular Ibotta shoppers, let's get into it. We've got a Dunkin iced coffee. I've never done this rebate before. Price $2.28 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.28 in store, but there is a $1.14 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.14 for the Dunkin iced coffee, and this is the Girl Scout Thin Mints flavor. That might actually be good, even though I'm not a coffee drinker. Okay. The next rebate I did, guys, was on the Lala Tampons. Now, I did this one again only because they're on clearance, so check that out in your stores. I'm noticing that they're dropping the price on these, so that's good. These is organic cotton tampons and pads line of products. Price $2.03 on clearance. No coupon, so I paid $2.03 in store, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.03 for the tampons, the Lala tampons, and this is an 8 count, okay? Super Plus tampons. The next one I found for the Lala products, which was reduced in cost, I do believe, I think it was $2.62. I don't know why I thought I paid more than that before when I bought it. But at any rate, this is the regular ultra thin pad with wings. Price $2.62. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $2.62 in store. $1 Ibotta rebate makes the final cost $1.62 for the Lala sanitary products. Next, I was real excited. This reset, the Kill Cliff Energized Energy Drink. Price $2.78 in my Walmart. No coupon, so I had to pay $2.78 in store, but there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 78 cents. I love that. Okay, I love that. Next rebate, guys, was on the Kill Cliff Ignite energy drink. Price the same thing, $2.78. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $2.78 in store, but there's a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 78 cents, hunty. Yes. All right. Now, everything else was stuff that I've already showed you guys, like Snuggle and V8 Splash and Ajax and Fanta Soda and the M&Ms. I don't want to show y'all guys that again. I want to keep it fresh and hot on Coupon and Crystal. So let's go to something fresh and hot that I haven't done, which was Shop Kit. Next thing that I did was the Dove Hair Therapy. This is the breakage therapy, and this is conditioner. You can do shampoo, but I decided to do conditioner because y'all know I co-wash. So this is priced $6.94 in my Walmart. I did use a $3 P&G coupon that is going to expire today. So if you want to do this deal and use the coupon, you must go do it now. Pay in store, $3.94. There is 820 kicks scanning and uploading the receipt, which is the equivalent of $3.28 coming back to you, making the final cost for the conditioner only 66 cents. Amazing deal. Okay. Next, two deals I did. Well, hold on. Let me show you this one. I did this one in the video earlier, but I'm going to just show you guys in case you didn't see it. This is the Huggies wipes, 97 cents. In the trial and travel section of my Walmart. Fetch Rewards has any Huggies wipes, 1,000 points or $1 coming back. Okay, so I decided to try it, and it did work. They actually gave me back 1,050 points, which is the equivalent of $1.05 coming back, which makes these be absolutely free and a little slight money maker of what, about 8 cents. So I was so cool with that. I found two more great deals at Publix because I went there with my daughter because she decided to do that Huggies diaper deal, which is amazing deal, guys. Now, not gonna get into it because I didn't do it, but she did it and it was a great deal. Because there is some savings flyer $2 Huggy coupons. There was a $2 digital Huggy coupon. Plus there was a $4 off of 2 instant savings. She got like $10 off on 2 packs of diapers. Amazing. Next deal I did was at Publix, guys. Be clear. These were the Johnson & Johnson little hand wipes, hand and face wipes, 25 count. They're priced $3.19 at my Publix for a total of $6.38. Now, Publix is giving you a $3 instant savings when you purchase 2 of the Johnson & Johnson products. These are included. That dropped my cost down to $3.38. Okay, great deal. So I paid $3.38 in store, but there is $1 Ibotta rebates coming back for each one, making the final cost $1.38 for the Johnson & Johnson wipes, 2 packs. I think that was a great deal. The last deal I did at Publix was on the Cetaphil face wipes, the gentle cleansing cloths, okay, $6.49 in my Publix. There is a $2 insert coupon that you're going to use, and at Publix you could stack a savings flyer Publix coupon of $2, okay, which is going to make the cost be $2.49 is what you're going to pay in store. But you're going to get back $1.50 from Ibotta. Yeah, making the final cost only 99 cents for these guys. So I think these deals were great. I hope you all are able to take advantage of it at your Publix or at your Walmart. Yes, I am waiting for my Shopkick stuff to upload, and I'm waiting for my receipts for Publix to no longer be pending. Okay, but it's gonna make me get a couple of bonuses, a $2 bonus and a $5 bonus. So this was an all over excellent deal. I didn't decide to do an in total how much I paid. Y'all know I pay with Ibotta money. I always do. But I was like, it's no point. I don't want to make y'all be bored and watch me do all this snuggle stuff again, okay? So I hope this is going to give you a little idea that you can go ahead and do for today. If you're trying to complete your weekend warriors, I want you guys to get it done. Let me know in the comments below of the video if it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider giving me a thumbs up, guys. If you're not already a member of the Coupon Crew, go ahead and hit that pink box in the corner and subscribe to the channel and become a member of the Coupon Crew. Be a lovely person. Hit the bell for notifications. Hit the bell for notifications so you know when we come on here. And that way, when I do stuff, I put stuff in the community section, you guys can see it. And if you're not on Instagram, come over to Instagram and check me out. I'm trying to be better about doing Instagram because Crystal is not. Now, my friend, Savvy Saver Diva Jackson, she's also a YouTuber. She is on Instagram. Go check her out. She posted a bunch of Dollar Tree finds today, guys. Go check her out on Instagram because I was like, dang, you be finding good stuff at your Dollar Tree and I don't be finding good stuff like she finds. She found name brand batteries and had a coupon. I was like, stop it. That's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.